Hey guys, what's up?
Alright, tonight we're back with another video.
And again, me depressed.
What you told the cover laugh already? Yes, well, later, turn away, yeah. So tonight, guys, I'll be installing a wig on Trish. So you know we do the makeup before, and I did
Disaster.
professionally well. So I'm gonna slay this. What style you want me to know, girl?
It's the style where you part it deep so, and then you sweep down some so, and then you come over so, and well pressed, flat press, so if it's sleek. That one.
Have you? Got you. Alright, guys, so we're not gonna do the bag of talking unless I get right into the video. Our ear already came raw.
How about it so?
Girl, have nice ear, you know. So you're just brushing the baby ear. Always protect the baby ear, guys. What me a drop? My slippers.
Me help you. Not help you too much though.
Wait, where's scissors?
No, one in there.
Scissors? One scissors, yeah. I'm so fine that.
We'll put it in another closet behind away.
The scissors?
Yeah. Up on the top shelf. Oh. Wait, Shanti, my ears.
I want your ears, girl.
Take time and open that door there.
Alright, guys, so I'm just use some got to be holding spray for spray around the cap. Asa?
Huh? Can't ask me, girl.
Read the label. Right, good. Read the label. I'll find the scissors. Rasclad. Alright, guys, so after you put on the cap, you use the holding spray.
My ears! Girl, my ears, girl.
But look, boy, my father. You bore a hole in the
Shanti,
cap.
my ears.
Jody, nothing on their ears. This is it also. Guys, make sure your scissors sharp.
My wrong scissors up, man. Look at my left good scissors in my car.
Yeah, ball out the ears. What are your ears?
Oh, scissors are torn out.
Lord God. Like this.
You're just saying organized, guys. You know, you don't know how the scissors them though.
You know, so you cut that one. Jody, why you never shut up your mouth? Look how you make the hole bust out.
Good man. No cut nothing else.
You never cut out the eye.
Yeah, good man. No, you go cut nothing else. I cut my blood clear eyelash. No, girl.
Oh my God, cut the eyelash. The ears can use a little more of this.
You know, we are blow it. We know that dry Shanti again. Blow it with a blow dryer.
Use the blow dryer.
Yeah, I'm dry.
I'm not sure that's an answer.
It's around something like that. Shanti around something below. I'm not supposed to bother that, you know.
Right, that's what it look like in a spray.
It have spray dry to dry, Shanti, so it will keep on a dry, keep on a add spray.
Oh,
In a dry though.
it's dry.
Okay.
In a dry.
I'm blushing, guys.
My girl, focus yes or no?
I'm even focus.
Well, if you blush and I'll fling down your head.
Soft. You know, I'm not over here. Because...
Nah.
You must be a dull man.
How about that?
I want to get another pipe. Oh, Stacy. But come on, my friend, you know?
Closest to my earline as possible. Nothing to cut me.
I'm not gonna cut you.
Don't dry the stocking cap. Don't dry it.
Scissors at all.
Give me. Whatever.
You're not gonna tell me to start cut for your name. Other scissors at all. Give me now, no?
Stacy, I did already.
Scissors there, right.
Other scissors, that's that problem, girl, because I'm gonna cut this. You know what I stuck in down on this. Are you cut? Are you cut this?
No, it never itched
Some men
but
tell
it's
us they
fine.
never
It's
itch
fine.
them.
It's fine. Enough your free coat. It's
Me
fine.
not freak out, Jody. I'm not freaking out. But me tell her, I say,
Give me the
it's not
scissors,
itch
no cut
down.
off some.
And you go cut you all right. Me not gonna do that.
You know why you cut me?
And tell her who put that shit in the ear.
Me not
know
take
what me
scissors
do.
and cut it myself. She know what she do.
This is fine.
Me tell her, I say, so no,
You sure? I gone down too much. My peacock is so where does it now?
You're
Down
not
on
treat
my
me.
forehead. No, I'm not going. Blessing girl.
True.
I'm not going
Especially if
myself
you
in a
have a
line
color.
up. See, let us. I'm sorry, that's why I never catch so, but that's fine.
So guys, I see Malay the cap. You know the week I go lay down. What lace? Apa na yung week we have to glue
Put
up
it
on
on
your earline?
my earline. But remember, say when you glue it, you gotta make some touch the end of the wig cap. You know why my wig too much? I'm gonna Friday, not so careful.
So shall we let that work tomorrow?
If you do right.
If you do good.
But when some wear hats, some wearing. Yes, girl. I feel like I put on my eyelash and I'm done too. No, I don't want to put on my lash, girl.
I can't put on lash.
I may not even have no lash.
What the fuck said the week no put on, but next week no put on lash. We have a mackerel.
Wow. We can't have a mackerel, girl. It's crazy.
No, sir.
You snap them, can't have a
I
mackerel.
like mackerel always look good like once they
Mackerel. Mackerel or mackerel?
Guys, me just try to spread the glue on my head. I do another arm.
Should I do about 2 more layers?
I do another layer.
Yeah? No, that's enough. It's fine. Our first attempt, guys. It's okay. That's how just the one more glue.
Me did say it to you, girl.
What do you think? I spray it. And I dry it, I dry it. So you say it's look dry? Put some glue or something, I talk like this. I'm gonna say that.
I don't wanna go on it. That's your hand in it.
Spray glue there, you go like every day glue.
I reckon I watch video and say glue boss up and everything again.
Nicolas, you're not getting it back.
I don't know, but me kind of fall in love with this thing when me say every woman that do a pierce, they know so much time. And me so feel like me I go do it.
Yeah, me the first me knows like I say na. So me go do it back.
Yeah, me so feel like me I go do it next year. It just looks so cute.
I mean, like it too, but
We all know the boat.
yeah. Old man with David guys.
Then the all in there, just
That all.
Look at girl, just leave myself. Eh?
yes. Young old one.
When the man look, I could have something more like me take off. If I don't see it and then I take it off and nobody else can see it. I'm alright with them something, but not everybody else can see. You know what that time for them they foolish is there.
You know all of that when you start the relationship.
They know I know. I know you're nerdy, but I never know you're so nerdy.
Open my listener.
I'm not here, you know. I'm not taking out my video.
I'm a nerd.
Alright guys, so
Wolverine.
the glue the all the way around the rim, the perimeter of our head. So I'm just like dry it.
Watch out, him no call up like, and a different something this way I talk about you saying, him no all and call up like him.
Like me. Jolly unfair enough in terms of do me ear and me you hold the blow dry and
Come
blow
here do
it.
other things. You don't really know what you do.
Alright. Side part.
You get already?
No, you know say I want sweep. Girl, I want new sweep style of wear.
No, no, it's not all of it.
I say I want
cut out the
just
one.
the sweep. Right, so
No.
but me no say I say I want
I'm
like
gonna
a
big.
sweep
I'm gonna show
wear.
you. I'm gonna show you one.
Show me the
something.
style,
Guys,
yeah.
don't forget, fuck guys. Big. Just put on a wig. Cause you can't do no style.
We can do style.
Hey.
The style, you know, my part I to no worried about.
The wig center.
You know, the last time I put it down yet.
The center.
So, oh yeah, see what I cap. Me not put on your wig for that edit. I want to hear.
Yeah, watch.
That's why you know stuff should I go over though.
It's alright. My criticism is full of sarcasm, like explain more, you know. Remember.
Why me give her the artist wig for the guy?
I don't mean say cause this a wig I look like I say. Are you want to do this a wig?
Let's see it. That means you say this.
That I forgot cut.
That means say. Me give her the wrong wig, guys. But for the girl one go get crazy, yeah. I take out all of my baby hair.
What the elastic them the way you put round the bottom. So on it.
I don't want that. But
Can use it.
I said that my wig come give her an old wig. I love my wig, them. Look at me that.
Michaela.
Cut down Nicola, please. Just stand up in the chair. Sometimes I help me the other side now.
Alright guys.
But now I have two beater guys because the wig all could get a new wig, you're crazy. And side them are the others.
Where's about style now? Come on, have style it. I can't just put on the wig and leave it so.
Yeah.
But what may I tell you to say? There's a new style.
I know I don't know new style in the ear.
No,
Do one side part
Jody.
and that's it. That's what she apart from. Which new style she? Which new style? Explain yourself, cause like I your ear.
Your mommy ear just a girl.
Which new style you talk though?
Mama tell you, they like you take the two of this, two part them and you just sweep them come
No. Tell ear to that girl. That
back
can't do
here,
it.
it can do it.
I don't want to do that.
So you just want the side part.
Yeah, and it's a center part and not even center. Shut up.
And which part you want the part on? Which side? The side there? Alright.
I'm not job for you. Look deeper. Bring up the sea, look. Because me nah make she make me look at the makeup. No, me nah turn my back this time. I'm teaching her, guys. Practice done perfect.
Right.
You can do it a little deeper though. I'm sure. I can make some new baby ear for this, so I'm gonna think on the underneath it. Another part that me attacking her, yes. So.
Why I can't climb up on the door?
So you go. You get it? Clean out the ear, now, girl. That make it difficult for passing. She do her thing, guys. We're not to beat her today. You're dry. You're gonna dry ear this.
Like a fucking
No, my ear
the
nice.
iron at.
She all, but you can rejuvenate a good ear. Which iron I plug in? Wrong iron I plug in already, girl. And this iron to make sure everything.
I never see that two iron there, side.
This not look promising. I take back what I did earlier.
I never see that two iron there. You bet just shut them out there.
Let me do that.
Yeah, so I just have the iron at. I'm gonna lay down up here so. It's all going good.
You can come out now. I'll make sure you have all of the baby ear with them for the. Pull it off.
Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself.
Right.
Don't hurt yourself.
Yes, then just this one right there.
And down the side, yeah. You can come out that with the mouse. Yeah, comb it down. No, comb it down first. Yeah.
I hear at the wig.
No, do it. But that's the last time I should have That's how I spritz it, that's why. But I comb with my ear. See that now. I can press it on. See that doing good. Don't hurt yourself. Head, shoulder, knee, that. Why? I want it upon.
Yeah.
Michaela!
How much would have been?
Oh no.
Blood clot.
You make sure you accidentally burn him up there, so.
No, you're crazy, girl. She should burn herself.
About myself.
Me know me I try achieve when I burn people. It's accident. She go with herself, guys.
But tell her I said this would have better than the makeup.
Dry.
When I say Stacy a rock and a shake or nothing over there. May I say me I go on good.
Hey.
Jody,
Yeah,
do somebody over
blood
your ears.
clot. No.
You know over your ears.
You never over my
Stacy
ears.
never accidentally burn your ear.
Comment what I can use on my face, guys, to kind of control what's going on here. I don't know. I'm help her. I should have helped her none at all, but I might do that.
24 months.
Yeah, see.
No, girl, I'm gonna talk to my people.
Alright guys, I'm gonna press out the ear Lord Jesus.
My fella Stacy and bun me no. Oh, sure.
You really are putting up in a
My fear she have a friend new. So, hi guys. Hello.
Straighten out the guys.
Look at the camera. My daughter, guys. One of my daughters, the middle one.
Yeah, but you took that up.
Yes.
Oh,
Me and Auntie have a YouTube channel.
Here, I'm just go back over it with this one.
Those boy don't got no Barbies. Believe up the Titan, guys. Believe up the Titans. It's not a bad time.
Alright, so guys, Jody prefer to use mousse to our baby hair, so you'll see me squirting the mousse in my hand. I'm just basically apply it to the baby hair, and that's what me use to hold it.
anybody with ugly, are you?
Exactly. Well, that's not way to do kick her out. She kick out herself.
Don't ride from a tree, girl. Look at it.
Am I doing everything? Yeah.
Turn it.
So should I do bad for look at all with guys?
Yeah.
Ball, me a ball.
Next to them time my other 1 week just for y'all.
You know what?
No,
No problem.
because the week they already TM. If I do a new week, should I fuck up it?
No.
First of all, the baby ear them not so thick.
Are you would cut a baby ear them saying? Oh, yeah, them say baby ear them not so thick. Like say baby ear them not already tip on the
On
ear.
YouTube now? Well, all on the YouTube, them gonna do about a Brazil and a nipple stiff up.
Because I chat the right crowd.
Shanty nipple stiff, your nipple stiff. I come like, I know YouTube now.
Booba, people them don't know nipple look.
All the fans.
Only fans. I must only fans.
No, I'm done. You know, the ear will press out and everything. I go video me gonna see. Yes. And she will go work. She have to keep it on for 2 days.
Me not keep a week for that. Me can't sleep
She
in a
go
week.
like to take it off tonight, people.
Me can't. Me not know how to do it.
Come like it well straight and the edges them no bad.
Those boy don't got no bad.
I that you ever do pull up your ear them in a party. Where you flash up your ears so far?
No, me just show you say.
That's how much you get?
No, the ear, you get a 8.
Did you see where we come from?
From wait up in the bottom of the jar.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna video it better for no see it, but this is the end of the vlog. You see my head? No, don't fix it now.
So that's it, guys.
Rate me now, rate me now.
I gave her 8.
Where you say stuff?
I'm more than 8. That Friday weather week there come
Where you say Stacy?
9 plus.
Boy, Stacy gonna shake head.
No, Stacy, the week come far away.
Me give myself a 8 as well.
I give her 8 too.
Yeah.
Them girl don't got.
So they can leave in the them boy don't got no Barbies. But they can leave in the comments how much they give me. But this is the end of the vlog, guys. Stay tuned for more.
Bye.
Bye.
Them boy don't got no Barbies.
It look good for my first time.